Hi, I'm Thomas Czech. I've been actively trading for about 2 years. My journey's getting better. I've had a really rough beginning. I blew up an account that was quite challenging and emotional. And literally for the last year, I've been tracking different setups and patterns that the Clovers have taught me. And I have not been actively in the market trading every single day, but I've been paper trading every single day. And that journey now has proved to be letting me give the confidence back again and go back into the market with the skills that they're teaching me. So originally, like a lot of people, started out with the education side from Tim Sykes and followed along with many people as time went on, realized that all these gentlemen had come through that system and then gotten together on their own and decided to go through and start listening to what they were saying and realized that they really were speaking things that resonated within me and were really truthful. And as a result of that, said I would now like to, be in this group every day. These events have been probably the most challenging and life-changing for me. The people that I've met, the camaraderie, the fellowship that exists within this group, I think is second to none. The transparency of the traders, the willingness and the helpfulness of all the Clovers to go out of their way to help everyone that I've met is, I think, unparalleled. I'm just so grateful that they actually have taken the time to help everybody that they helped in the ways that they do every day. When you take the onion skin and you peel away the layers, which they have certainly done with me, letting me be more honest with myself and truthful, understanding my personality better and how I've reacted to the markets and start to track that to say, are you really telling yourself the truth or are you maybe telling yourself a little white lie every once in a while and making the numbers look better than they are? And by getting to that honesty in the actual trade tracking of that the truth doesn't lie and the data actually is the truth. So if the data is the truth, we should be going after the data and then trade from the data. It's extremely unique. The thing that I've seen, and I'm involved with other groups, individually, they're wonderful people. Individually, they have great trade structures. They're very good instructors and teachers. The difference with the Clovers is because each one of them is so different individually, but as a group, the synergy from the group is dynamic. And I haven't experienced that with any other group. So I think that's extremely unique and a blessing to the Clovers that I haven't experienced anywhere else. And I think part of that is because of their age. They're dynamic, they're young, they're powerful. They've proven that when things are good, you can put the pedal to the metal and you can succeed. And when things are not so good, you should pull the foot off the accelerator a little bit and you should trade accordingly. And that modulation of trading is something that I think other people don't teach as well and as honestly. I think they just let you assume that you can just go full throttle all the time and life's going to be wonderful. And the reality is the market is changing every minute of every day and you have to change with its frequency and its dynamics. And they've opened my eyes to that. I didn't have this 2 or 3 years ago. I didn't have it when I was 20 years old. And these gentlemen and ladies have inspired me to the point now where I've become that and am open to seeing it now, which I wasn't before because I think I had a bias on that was like these glasses. Maybe they were, rose-colored or whatever. I wasn't seeing it the correct way. I was seeing it through a set of lenses that wasn't correct, that was biased. So when you take those off and they're unbiased, now you get to see what it really looks like. And I think that's what they've allowed me to do, is to be real with myself and with the trading and say, just take it as it comes. And the truth will show up in front of you. And it does. So, yeah, powerful.